I guess I always felt like I had a hard time getting like a decent job, like an entry level job, when I was in high school and college. Like I applied to so many jobs in high school, and the only job that I ever got was that landscaping gig that I did for the weekend. I almost never even got an interview. I felt like, I did my research on my resume, I interviewed well. I would always follow up. I would call and say thanks. I would show up early. I was very pleasant, very cordial. And it was like I could never get anything. And so that's why like I see people with like the pizza, delivery gigs. And I'm like, how did you even get this? Because there was kids like me that could not land something like this for some reason.
Yeah.
I got rejected from the movie theater, and my
Another sweet gig.
yeah, which would have been another sweet gig. And I was like, why? Why did I get rejected from that? And I think
Yeah.
maybe here's what it is. They can tell based on how much effort you're putting in. They're like, I don't want to work with that guy. He's gonna outdo me in
Right.
That could be it.
in 2 weeks. It's entirely possible, because
That's true.
I would wager that 17-year-old Zach had enough competence to manage a movie theater and usurp it and turn it into a functioning, well-oiled machine.
Yeah. Yeah.
So maybe that's it.
There's
Yeah.
something to it. Even at Subway, my thing was like I was never the fastest, but I would always like take my time to make sure that their sandwich actually like presented well. And I was always super, super nice to the customers. And I was very on top of like stocking and restocking and cleaning. Everyone else I felt like was really fast in making sandwiches, but they were super mean, very irresponsible, never stocked or restocked, never cleaned. And yet I felt like I was always on like the bottom of the totem pole. And yeah, maybe there's something to, there's like
I don't know.
There's like
there's a Cain and Abel element to it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Jealousy. Hmm.
Yeah.
Fast food, dude, if you're slow, everyone hates you. That it just doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how good you are. If you're like slow, even if it's on
Right.
purpose, everyone hates you. Like I totally experienced that because I was like, just to be real, I was fast and I was good with the customers. Okay.
Oof, wow.
But the
Total
people who
package.
sucked, who were also slow, just drove me crazy because it's just like,
Yeah.
how could you be like, this is the simplest, like you're doomed in every scenario of life because this is the simplest job. But
Mhm.
maybe that was it. But I don't know. I don't think, I think that doing it on purpose is different than people who actually couldn't make pizza fast enough.
Right. It's not like I couldn't process like, wait, lettuce, tomato, and what else? It was just like, oh no, I'm not just gonna like chuck it in here and then like close
Yeah,
it
it
up.
needs to look good.
Yeah, I'm gonna make
Yeah.
it like something edible.
Yeah.